Animals that have backbones are called vertebrates. Vertebrates are classified into mammals, birds, fish, amphibians, and reptiles. The bodies of most vertebrates are divided into 3 main regions. They have different body coverings and different body parts for movement. Animals that have backbones are called vertebrates, while the animals that do not have backbones are called invertebrates. Vertebrates have hard internal skeleton, while some invertebrates have exoskeletons. Vertebrates can be oviparous and viviparous, while most invertebrates are oviparous. All flowering plants have flowers, while non-flowering plants do not have flowers. Sunflower, hibiscus, daisy, and bougainvillea are some flowering plants. Most flowering plants produce seeds, which produce new plants. Mosses, ferns, and conifers are some plants that do not have flowers. Most non-flowering plants reproduce using special structures like spores or cones. Just as we put different types of clothes in different sections of our closet, we divide living things on the earth into different groups. These groups are plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, and protists. The classification helps us to study the differences, similarities, and relationships between different living things.